Hi everyone, I'm Shravan and I'm the managing director at Manu Law Classes. And today we are here to discuss a very important announcement for all the clat aspirants and all the other law entrance examination aspirants out there. And the reason we are discussing this is because uh, at Manu Law Classes we have seen a very wide gap in terms of the kind of knowledge gap the students have when they start preparing for the examinations, or when they are confused about various career options that they have, and especially if they want to go into law, what are the various career options they can go into, plus the kind of exposure that they can get, and further how to prepare for various examinations, and also what sort of examinations are present in India and how you can give them, and so on. So there are a lot of questions pop up in the mind of a aspirant, and this is the reason we are making this video. This is the reason we are launching a major ebook for you so that you can understand and you can help yourself in terms of approaching the various law entrance examinations, and choose the best career path for you in terms of what you want to do after law. So for that reason, we'll be discussing the launch of the ebook and also as to how you can make the most out of it. So, hi, I just like I said, I'm Shravan. I am an alumnus of Ramjas College, that is Delhi University. A lot of people basically they complete their bachelor's from Delhi University. I was one of them, and they further move on to do their DULLB. They further move on to the 3-year program at DU. So that is one of the career paths for students as well who want to firstly pursue a 3-year normal degree, just like a BA honors or BCom honors, and after that, if they think they want to go into law, then a 3-year BLLB degree serves best. Further, I am also alumnus of one of the world's best B schools, one of the world's best universities in the world, that is IE Business School. It's part of the IE University and is based in Spain. I'm also an alumnus of University of Miami, that is in US. Something about me. I have been training a lot of students in the critical reasoning as part of CLAT and various other law entrance examinations, and a lot of students have benefited from the kind of lessons, from the kind of strategies that we at Manu Law Classes try to imbibe into the students. And further, I am also a motivational speaker, and I've also helped a lot of students and also helped parents as well, for them to understand what better careers the students have after pursuing their 12th examination. So this is also one of the many things that we do at Manu Law Classes. We help the parents, we help the students to understand the kind of career options they have within law, and further such as judiciary, and these are the kind of career options that a lot of students might have. Further, I've also mentored a lot of candidates on a one-on-one session as well, where I help students to understand the kind of the potential that they might have, how they can further kind of enhance their preparation, and sit for various law entrance examinations throughout that happens in India. A lot of them are clat, alet, and symbiosis, SLAT, the way we call it. Further, IP also has its own law entrance examination. So these are the various entrance examinations that students can sit in, and a lot of students focus on sitting in these examinations at the same time. They do not do that. They sit for CLAT and they don't sit for any other examinations. So we also help students to understand what all examinations that they have, and what all backups that they should also have, because we should never put our eggs in one basket. That is one of the primary reasons that we focus on guiding students what all other backup good colleges that they can also focus on. So the aim at Manu Law Classes that we have is that we focus on integrating analytics through our state-of-the-art learning management system, where students can access content, they can access videos, they can access tests, and so on. And that helps students to understand their performance on through the online analytics, but it is also combined with the offline guidance and mentoring by the mentors that you have at Manu Law Classes. So the reliance on technology is there, but the reliance on the physical mentoring is also there to have a comprehensive learning experience for the students. You might be having these questions that are right in front of you as to whether the ebook is for you or not. So the ebook, if you have these questions, then the ebook that we are about to launch, that we are launching as we speak right now, that is the ebook that you should be having. What is the first question? What makes the career of law so special? Why law as a career is booming in India, and why a lot of students have started taking interest in it? And year on year, number of students who are sitting for these examinations is increasing. Further, what are the best law colleges in India? Because there's a fierce competition amongst the best colleges for students to crack these examinations. and hence it is very important that you know what to study, when to study, and how to study. Further, you might also have questions about career prospects after law, as to what you can do. You can go into judiciary, or you might want to go to you might write UPSC as well. You might write the civil service examination, or you might go into corporate. You might go into litigation and so on. So all the different careers have different pros and cons. It all depends upon your own personality and what exactly you want to do after your graduation. Further, you might be thinking about what are the different law exams in India, because CLAT is just one of many, but there are a lot of other examinations as well. Further, how should you be preparing for these law exams is also one of the things that is covered in the ebook. Further, where are the various law exams conducted throughout India? So if you find yourself asking these questions, then yes, the ebook that we have created for you, it's a comprehensive guide, and that ebook is something that you should definitely download, and you should learn the kind of advantages that you have in terms of downloading this ebook, and also get the answers to your questions that you might have. This is the first time in India that Educational EdTech Institute is launching an ebook specifically focused on all these law examinations. This book consists of 75 pages and 12 chapters. You might be thinking, wondering about how this ebook contains 75 pages. The reason is that it's very comprehensive. It is curated by the in-house faculty. It is also curated by the past All India rankers of CLAT and ALET. And one of the major contributors to this ebook is a NLU Delhi alumnus. His name is Alin Gupta, and he is a current subject matter expert at Manu Law Classes who is teaching legal aptitude for us. So this was a work of a lot of many people, many past All India rankers, current students at these national universities, and also myself as well. So take good use of this ebook and utilize this ebook to get to be amongst the top 5% or 1% of the aspirants throughout India, and get an advantage by when you start, even before you start preparing for the exam. Whatever stage you might be in, you might be about to start preparing for the exam, you might be in the middle of the preparation, or you might have given clat, and when you give clat this May, on May 8th, after that there's a contact list of all the NLUs as well. So after this, you can also contact the NLUs by the information that is given in the ebook. So this is the ebook consisting of information for all the people, because start from the right, from the first phase, from the people who are about to prepare, people who are preparing, and people who would have given the clat as well and would be called for counseling. So, like I said, it's helpful for all the law aspirants who are yet to begin their prep and want to understand how to prepare for law entrance and know detailed breakdown of various examinations. Further strategies to crack CLAT, how you can crack CLAT with limited time, and also utilizing the comprehensive material that is there in the market. And further, those, like I said, those who have cracked or will crack CLAT, this book is also for them. And this book is ended by the general FAQ section, if any other question that might have remained unanswered, a student can go to the FAQs and he can just refer to the FAQs and get the answers of those questions. So, guys, the download link is in the description of this video, and so you go ahead and grab your copy of this ebook and be amongst the top 1% of the CLAT aspirants, CLAT and other law entrance examinations aspirants in India. So, good luck with that. Further, we have also started with the batches for the Crash Course 2022 and the 1 year program for CLAT and OLED for 2023. As we all know that this time CLAT 23 is happening in December 2022, which is 6 months, 5 months before the usual time. So a lot of students are in a fix as to how they can study, manage their CLAT preparation while also being in school. So we have opened a comprehensive learning service for all the students, where the students can understand how to balance their preparation. We have also have a team of counselors who can help you with the counseling sessions and guide you with the best choices that you can make, and also help you understand as to how you can balance your preparation effectively. Further, the number of seats in each batch is very limited. We have a size of 25 seats in just one batch. So if you're going for the crash course 22, there are 25 students that we are taking. And if you're going for the 1 or 1.5 year program, that is for the CLAT or the OLET, because CLAT will happen in 1 year, other examinations will happen in approximately 1.5 years. So that course is clubbed into one. So in that case as well, you will be getting the number of seats in that batch is 25 seats. Second, we are about to launch a major program, which is the MLC mentorship program, where the mentors are matched with you, and the mentors are personally responsible for your preparation and your performance throughout the time you are at Manu Law classes. And we ensure that whatever you are learning, whatever you are being tested at, you are able to get the maximum out of it, and able to ensure that when you actually write the exam, you are confident upon yourself, that and ultimately you'll be able to crack the examination as well. So the MLC mentorship program is first in the industry again, where we are assigning mentors to you so that your mentors can help you achieve the goals that you have set for yourself, and also guide you when you feel that you might have lost your way temporarily as well. Further, come and be part of the number one rated classroom batch. It's this batch has been creating a lot of toppers in the past few years, and this is the reason that we have started this batch again, where a lot of people will be able to come and take advantage of the unique features that we are offering as part of the batch. And the faculty that you have at Manu Law classes, they are students from from NLU who have studied at NLU, and now they are teaching at Manu Law classes. Further, for the maths and reasoning topics, where a lot of you might feel that this is a topic that you might find challenging, we have tutors from IIT who have completed their BTech and MTech from IIT, and now after being in this space for the past 10 years, they are now teaching on Manu Law classes, and they are able to help students with whatever challenges they might be facing as part of the logical reasoning or maths and or subjects such as maths or logical reasoning. So come and be part of our next success story, and we'll be happy to help you with if any other questions that you might have. You can drop it in the comments, and uh, if there's anything that we can help you with, our counselors will help you and they will connect with you, and we'll be able to help you out with most of the questions that you have. Thank you for being part of this video. Thank you for joining this video and viewing it. We look forward to help you in terms of helping you crack the top examinations, top law entrance examinations in the country.